Hi everyone, this is John Wen. Today is October 7th, 2021. In today's video, I'm going to briefly go through my research updates since the past week. As you can see from the Gantt chart, for the past week, I was mainly working on the second item, which is Enwoflow website integration, and the progress is about 25%, and I think we did indeed made a great improvement or make a great progress since the past week, but I just marked 25% and I think we're close to make it work. So the update from the past week. Firstly, I tried multiple ways to get a text box changed, for example like this graph, get this changed and updated and reflected to the final XML that is output from the website. As well as I try to directly change by double click the vertex and change the value inside, but they both does not reflect it to the final parsing XML. So that is unfortunate. So I try to work around it at this moment, at least to avoid wasting of time. So I just hard code the specification in the task name at this moment. So for example, like here, we're able to directly hard code the name to the file name, and when we drag this into the website, it will directly parse the information and put this as a label inside vertex, and this one will be parsed into the final XML when we call the run method. So this is updates, and right now we are able to concatenate all the layers together on the website and parse the XML to an Enwoflow object, and we can call that to run as well, but still we encounter some minor issue at this moment. So the changes including as follow. I didn't write a new translator, but use an old one, which is quite capable and quite enough for what I need. So it basically has everything I need. So I didn't change anything at all. And also I add the generic Enwoflow.java, which is to parsing the XML as well as constructing the Enwoflow and download input and output files. And this part, download input and output, was realized in the executor, because we don't have executor in the Enwoflow. So I try to make it inside the generic Enwoflow.java as well. So this one is going to extend Enwoflow.java. And the second thing is that I modified the use website workbench.js and workflow.jsp in order to add the entry, which is a local NVIDIA GPU as an option in the run method. So for example, like here, if we click the run, let me use an existing one so we don't need to create another one. So if we click the run button and we're able to choose, there's one more option, which is a local NVIDIA GPU, and we can say submit and that will run. And currently it's we still encounter some issue about the input and output files. For example, like here, we are not able to find to download the input file. For example, like here, the cancer data, breast cancer data.csv from Dropbox. So I still be debugging this issue, and I think this is not a major challenge, but we still need some time to make it work. So let's get back to here. And also I modified the mediator.java to add the local GPU run and workflow method to handle the HTTP request from the website. So I think the overall loop has been closed. So right now we are mainly working on the debugging as well as to make it work. So as you can see, here are some screenshots. For example, I concatenate all the layers as an Enwoflow, as well as we're able to choose the local NVIDIA GPU as a new environment in current web version. But right now we are encounter some issue about loading or downloading the input files or input data, but actually we are able to constructing all the new network layers as an workflow. So we're able to run that, but just right now we're not able to load the input and output files, so we still need some time to make it work. And for the release, I still work with Bai, and he suggested me to maybe to publish my side on this version first, because he think his part is not complete at this moment. Maybe he's working on something new, and he suggests me to only keep the new network part for 3.0, and then maybe he is able to work on and to put into the next publication or release. And I didn't spend too much time on the prospectors reports, and I get some feedback from Dr. Liu. I haven't got much time to for the work on it, so I think next work is going to be make the website work full functional, as well as work on the journal version paper. So thank you so much. I think that's pretty much for today's video, and I hope you enjoy a great day, and until next time, happy coding.